Have you ever wondered what's the best way to cook a duck breast? Well, in this video, I tested just that. I confit, smoked, deep fried, and traditionally cooked 4 different duck breasts, and I'm going to compare them and see which one is the best. Let's get into it. So the first thing on the to-do list was seasoning the duck breast, and I kept the seasoning pretty simple with just my salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. And I only used my salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning on these for a few reasons. The first being I wanted the cooking methods to shine on these and not necessarily the duck breasts themselves. So I felt like they should all pretty much taste the same in terms of seasoning. And second, I didn't want any overpowering flavors to come through on these duck breasts because, like I said before, the goal of this video is to see which cooking method is the best. So in my opinion, seasoning all the duck breasts the same will yield the best results for a comparison. So after all the duck breasts were all seasoned up, the first cooking method is the confit, which was pretty straightforward. It just consisted of me throwing a duck breast in a bath of melted duck fat and some garlic cloves, then throwing that pan in the oven on 225 until the duck breast hit about 130. And next up we have the smoking method, and after I got the grill fired up, I threw in some cherry wood chunks, then throw in my duck breast opposite the coals. And with this method, I didn't have to do much. I just had to check on the meat every 15 to 30 minutes until it was smoked all the way through. And next up is the cooking method that I was most excited for, the deep fried, which really just consisted of me throwing some duck fat in a pan until it got to about 350, and then fully submerging my duck breast in that piping hot fat, and then flipping it every 5 minutes or so until that internal temperature was around 130 degrees. And the last cooking method is my favorite and the one I definitely use the most on this channel, the traditional. And this method probably required the most steps out of all of them, but for the traditional, you start your duck breast in a cold pan, fat side down, then you cook it on that fat side on medium-high heat for around 5 minutes. Then you turn it over and cook it on the meat side for about 2 minutes. You then flip it back over and throw it in the oven on 400 to finish for about 5 minutes. And after all that cooking, both the fried and the traditional were done first, so I let those breasts rest on the cutting board while I finished up the smoked and the confit. And as for these last 2 duck breasts, the smoked and the confit were pretty much done at the same time as the fried and the traditional. However, I did want to get a nice sear on all these duck breasts just so I can properly compare them. And shortly after searing, both the smoked and the confit were both done, so I let those sit in the cutting board and rest as well. And next, all that was left to do was label each duck breast with its proper cooking method and eat. And the first up was the traditional, and even before tasting this, I could tell by the crispiness of the skin that this was going to taste very good. If you've been watching this channel for long enough, you'll know that this is definitely my preferred method of cooking duck breasts, so I'm a little biased when it comes to this. But the duck breast itself was very juicy and tender, had a very consistent temperature all throughout, and the skin, even though a little charred, was very crispy and crunchy, so it's definitely a win. And next up we have the fried, and just as a little side note, I will be explaining every duck breast individually, and at the end I'll be ranking and comparing all of them. But back to the fried duck breast, the skin on this was very crispy and crunchy, almost reminiscent of fried chicken. The meat itself, a bit dry, however I'm going to go into more detail at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Next up we have the smoked, and I'm not going to lie, visually this definitely looked the best out of all 4. The cherry wood smoke gave the duck breast a nice reddish tint, and the meat on the smoked duck breast was extremely juicy. However, I have to be transparent and tell you guys that smoking duck breast is probably my least preferred way of eating duck breast, and I tried my absolute best not to be biased and ranking these in the end. And lastly, we have the confit, which was probably the easiest cooking method out of all of them today. All I really had to do was let it sit in the oven until the internal temp reached about 130. But as for the meat itself, it was extremely juicy and tender, and probably the easiest way to get a consistent temperature on your duck breast. But now that I've tasted all these, let's rank all these cooking methods, starting from my least favorite to my favorite. So in last place, you have the confit. Now before I go in on why this is my least favorite, let me just say that I know I could have done a lot more to the confit, i.e. add different seasonings and spices to make it better. However, I wanted to keep the flavors consistent across the board. So I say all that to say this is my least favorite because it was just too basic. The meat itself was definitely the most juicy and tender out of all of them, but that didn't make up for the lack of crust on the duck breast, so I have to rank it in last place. Next up we have the fried, and this came in second to last or third place. However, I think this has the most potential out of all of them. So frying duck breast will give you the crispiest, juiciest skin you'll ever ask for. However, as you can see here, it will also dry out the meat a bit, and it makes it kind of hard to get a consistent temperature all the way through. So in my opinion, it's pretty impossible to cook a duck breast in medium rare if you're deep frying it. However, deep frying definitely gave me the crispiest skin I've ever had on a duck breast, and it also rendered the fat under the skin to the point where it tasted like fried chicken. And in second place, we have the smoked, and I'm pretty confident that anybody else who tried these duck breasts breast, would probably say the smoked is the best. However, smoked duck breast is my least preferred way of cooking and eating duck breast, as I said before. But even with that, I couldn't deny how good this was. The cherry wood smoke gave the duck breast skin an almost candy-like look. And this is probably the most consistent medium rare I've ever seen on a duck breast, so we're going to put that at second place. And as for the winner, I'm sure some of you aren't surprised, but the traditional is definitely the best for me. It had the most consistent flavor, and the skin wasn't exactly as crispy as the fried. However, it was very crispy as well. Now, I am being a bit biased in picking this one because I do use this method to cook pretty much all my duck breasts. However, when I want a duck breast, 9 times out of 10, this is how I want it to taste. I think it's the easiest way to both ensure crispy skin and a consistent medium rare all the way through. So as for the rankings, it goes as follows. In 4th place or last place, we have the confit, then we have the fried, then the smoked, and last but certainly not least, the traditional. And if you guys have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to let me know in the comments if I missed any duck breast cooking methods, because I can make a part 2 to this video if I find some more methods. And also be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.